Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to sideload third-party apps on all Roku devices. Watch the video complete, don't skip any part, otherwise you can't install the apps on your Roku device. Like the video if this helps. Before starting the video, I will suggest you to go to the Roku official website, link would be given in the description. Here all the procedure about activating developer mode and sideloading channels. Basically they use channels word for the apps. So here are many information given in this website, so it is recommended before you move further. Now I will show you how to sideload third-party apps on Roku devices. Press home button 3 times from the remote on this screen, then press up, then again up, then right, then left, then right, then left, then right button. This is a secret code, viewers. It will open Roku developer settings on the screens. Now write down the IP given here and username. It will be used in future. On the next screen, a security warning is pop up. Now click on continue. On the next screen, we have a license agreement. Click on I agree here. Next, we have to set a minimum 4-character password and click on set up password and reboot. Our Roku device will restart in developer mode. Now open your laptop or your PC browser and type the IP address you have earlier noted on your notebook. After typing, press the enter. A new screen will appear with the user ID and password. Enter Roku div here and the password you have earlier set. If this message appears, then go back to your device and update its software from the settings. Then refresh it. Now you can upload or install any application of your choice. I can't show you the apps due to YouTube policies, so use it and comment here which type of applications you installed and tested. Hope this video helps. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.